Moving to the next session for rank correlation coefficients. So question is compute the rank correlation coefficient for the following data. So for X, the magnitudes are 68, 64, 75, 50, 64, 80, 75, 40, 55, 64, and for Y 62, 58, 68, 45, 81, 60, 68, 48, 50, 70. So we have to distribute rank. Before that you start. So write down the given data. It is first one is for X 68, 64, 75, 75, 50, 64, 50, 64, 80, 75, 80, 75. Here 75 is repeated. Next 40, 55, and last one is 64. And next we'll write here. So values of Y, it is magnitude. So first one is 62, 58, next 68, 45, 81, 60, 45, it is 45, 81, 60, 68, next 48, 50, and last one it is a 70. So here repeated magnitudes are there, repeated for rank. So first one is 80. So first rank is 80 here. I can write here rank X, rank of X. So 80 highest magnitude, it is rank 1, but in 75 it is repeated. So you have to distribute rank as a, so number 2 and number 3, or 2 or 3, or we can write 2 plus 3 5 divided by 2, both of them. So it is 2.5. We can write here it is 75, rank is 2.5, here also 2.5. And we have a formula like this. We have the coefficient of rank correlation for the repeated ranks. So ordinary formula, you know that rho is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n into n square minus 1. Simple one. Here little bit change it is. So rho is equals to 1 minus 6 into summation d square plus m into m square minus 1 divided by 12 it is. Next plus so on. So formula is changed like this, bracket close and full divided by the earlier one. What is that? N into n square minus 1. So n we know, total number of data given in X and Y, it is n is equals to 10. We can write here n is equals to 10, write comma here, n is equals to 10. So what about m? We'll check later on. So here next rank distribution. So first rank is this highest magnitude 80, next 75 distributed in 2 8s. So we'll write here in X magnitude, in X magnitude 75 is repeated. How many times? Twice. 2 times. Twice. For rank 2 it is. So average is for rank 2 and 3, that means 2 plus 3 5 divided by 2, it is 2.5. We will mark as a 2.5 rank. Here we can call m is equals to 2. So this is a m which we required in formula. Next, rank. So 1 is over, 2 and 3 also over 2.5. It is given to second rank and third rank as a 2.5. Next, fourth one, it is 75, 68. It is fourth one. Next, we will move to fifth one. Fifth one is 64, 64. 64 is there. 64 repeated in x magnitude, 64 repeated thrice. That means now fourth rank is over, 5, 6, 7. That is average is 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 3. So it is nothing but 6 only. That is 5, 6, 7 rank over. Here m is equals to 3. So we will write here 6th rank. Here again 6th rank. And again, here again 6th rank. So 5, 6, 7. Now 8th one. 8th one is 55. So 9th one is, we'll check here, it is 50. And 10th one is last one. So least is 40. So it is 10th rank. In Y also we will mention rank Y will distribute. So here first rank is highest one, 81, 61. So highest is 81. Next, second rank, so it is 60, 60, 70. Next, third one, third one 68. Yes, 68. 68 and 68. In Y magnitude 68 repeated twice. Here average is for first two, third and fourth. 3 plus 4 divided by 4, it is 3.5. And here we will mention m is equals to 2 twice. So 4, 68. 68 will write 3.5. And again here 3.5. Next 3, 4 over. Next rank number 5. 68, 68. Yes, 62 is rank number 5. Next 60. It is 6. Next 7th one is 40, 50, 58. Here it is 7th one. Next 8th one. Here. 8th one is 50. Yes, 8th one. 9th one is here 48. And last list 45. It is rank number 10. So we got here. Next we have to calculate D is equals to X minus Y. D is equals to rank X minus rank Y. It is 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Next 6 minus 7 is again minus 1. Next 2.5 minus 3.5 is again minus 1. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. 2.5 minus 3.5 minus 1. 10 minus 8 is 1. So 8 minus 8 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. So next we required this one summation of d square. To find summation of d square, first make calculation for d square. So d we got, d square is minus 1 the whole square is 1, minus 1 the whole square is 1, 1 is whole square, here 1, here 5 5 is 25, minus 5 into minus 5 it is 25, here 1, here 1, 0 and 16. If we add this, we'll get summation of d square is equal to 16 17 18 plus 50 68 69 70 71 72 is equals to 72. Summation of d square is 72. M we got first 2, m is equals to 3 and m is equals to again 2. That means value of m is, we got 3 values, m is equals to 3 and 2. So here in equation, so 1 minus 6 into summation of d square is nothing but it is 72. We'll write here 72 plus m, first value for m is equals to, we got 2, next m is equals to 3 and m is equals to again 2. So first we'll insert the value, first we got m is equals to 2, it is 2 into 2 square minus 1 divided by 12. Next so on is there, so plus here, next m is equals to 3, 3 square minus 1 divided by 12. Next again last one, again m is equals to 2 here, it is 2 into 2 square minus 1 divided by 12, so whole divided by n into n square minus 1, n is 10 into 10 square minus 1. So we go calculate this one. So it is simple, 1 minus 6 into here, first one is 72, here 2 to the 4 minus 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 6 divided by 12 is 0.5, 6 divided by 6 ones are 6 twos are, it is 0.5. Next plus 3 3 is 9 minus 1 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 divided by 12, 24 divided by 12 is 2, plus again 2 to the 4 minus 1 3, 3 to the 6, 6 divided by 12 is 0.5 again. This one is full divided by 10 square is 100, 100 minus 1 is 99, 99 into 10 is 990. If you calculate in Calc, we'll get is a 0.545. Thus we can write, thus rho is equals to 0.545. This is the final answer for this type of statistical problem where ranks are repeated. I hope you understood solving this type of problem.